All right, this is the final example. This is 7.2 quadratic formula. And now we are officially on page 312. All right, so in this example, we don't have it in standard form. So this is a little bit different. We have to put it in standard form. Different, but not hard. So we're going to subtract 6y from both sides, and we're going to add 3 to both sides. And that'll give us 0 on the right side if we do that. So now it's in standard form. Descending order set equal to 0. We don't worry about the coefficient on the first term, because with quadratic formula, we're just labeling things and plugging them in. So a is 5, b is -6, c is 3. And we literally plug that into the quadratic formula. And notice I changed my variable to y, because in this case, we're solving for y. So y is equal to our negative b, negative times -6, plus or minus square root of b squared, so -6 is squared, minus 4 times our a term, 5, our c term, 3, all over 2 times 5. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to simplify. So a negative times a negative is positive, +6, plus or minus. Here we have the square root of 36, right? -6 squared is 36, minus 20 times 3, which is 60, all over 10. Now to simplify this, we're going to take -30 or +36 minus 60, and we should get -24 all over 10. All right. So like I said, the trick in all this stuff is really simplifying the radical. So whenever you have a negative in the radical, remember in previous videos I explained why, you're going to pull out that negative. Square root of -1 is I. So you have I, and then the square root of 24 breaks down. We want to break it down to a perfect square and whatever else is left. So let's see, 4 goes into 24 6 times. So square root of 4 times square root of 6, all over 10. So now we know that 6 is plus or minus, and square root of 4 is 2, so we have 2i square root of 6. 6 is made up of prime numbers, so we can't break it down any further. But we can split this fraction up and simplify, so we will. So we have 2 square root of 6, and remember standard form for a complex number is a plus bi, so we want to do that here. And then we simplify. We know that 6/10 reduces to 3/5, right, by 2. Use 2 to reduce it. And then 2/10 reduces to 1/5. So we have square root of 6 over 5i. Now it's in standard form. That's it. All right, now y'all have everything you need to do your homework.